In this video, we will take a look at the disco ball party light. We have a few modes. The first mode is an automatic mode that will switch between your scenes and will have a little bit of a stutter between each switch. The second automatic mode will switch between your scenes without that stutter. And there is also a flash mode that will turn on all elements. Unfortunately, we cannot turn on and off each individual element, but you can speed up and slow down to get the strobe effect that you want. You can also click on each individual light. If you click it once, it will rotate between all of the patterns in that light. Otherwise, you can click it again to stay on a particular pattern. If you click it 8 times, you can turn it off. The same is true for the LEDs. If you click it once, it will rotate between all of the different colors, but you can click it again to stay on a particular color, or if you click it 8 times, it will shut it off. We also do have a UV light, and it does work, but it's probably the weakest element on this particular light. Now, we also do have 3 different music modes. All in all, it's not a bad little light, although it's not very versatile. You do get some control, but you don't really get that much control. Otherwise, it's a decent light.
That's pretty cool.